Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be reading another story. It is called Baby Monkey, Life in the Zoo and in the Jungle. This book is all about how monkeys spend their time in the zoo and in the jungle, how they are same and how they are different. I hope you enjoy reading this Baby Monkey book with me and I hope you read along with me. Let's begin. Baby Monkey. I'm a funny, cheeky monkey, and I live in the zoo with lots of different monkeys who are funny and cheeky too. This page is how monkeys spend their time in the zoo. This page is the jungle. In the wild jungle, I have a big monkey family. We climb high in trees in the treetops, living together happily. Now this one spends its time with its monkey family, and this one has other monkeys with its families too. My home here is a playground. I swing from tree to tree. I even have my own keeper who takes good care of me. So this one, instead of vines, it looks like it's swinging on ropes. Nice. This page is the jungle. In the big open jungle, I have so much room to play. I chase the birds and butterflies. I explore new places every day. So, this monkey is playing with all of the other butterflies, animals, plants, and birds and other ones. This one is doing the same thing, but with its keeper who feeds him. Mealtimes are so easy. I just wait for food to come. They bring fresh apples and bananas for everyone. So this monkey here has its free food right here. That's really lucky. Dinner time in the jungle is hard work. I have to hunt high and low. I search for ripe bananas and tasty fresh mango. So now this one has to search for its food. It's like a game of hide and seek, except you don't know where the person hid them. You have to look all over. This page is the zoo. Lots of people come to see me. I often make them laugh. I like to make a funny face or pose for a photograph. So this one has a banana on its head. So everyone would be taking pictures like you normally see pandas in the zoo. This page is the jungle. Sometimes I have to hide from danger. The jungle is a scary place. I swing high up into the trees when I'm chased by slithering snakes. This zoo is covered by people's gates. There are gates around, so it can't be worried about predators. With his keeper, it can't worry about strangers or people who are coming to catch him. Jungle. There are snakes, lizards, pythons, and all kinds of other animals that are harming these monkeys. They have to escape from them. There are no gates or keepers to protect them in this place. These are both the zoo and the jungle. This is where they sleep and how. At nighttime, it is quiet. We hear the owls go twit-twoo. I snuggle into my comfy bed and dream of life outside the zoo. So this one has some arrangements here. It has a nice hut, it has protected areas, and it has its own blanket and pillow. This place looks very comfy for a monkey. This place is the jungle. At nighttime, I cuddle up with my monkey family. We keep each other safe and warm as we sleep beneath the trees. Now this one sleeps with his parents or monkey family. And this one has leaves and pillows and all kinds of leaves and things like that. They use what they have and make a pillow out of it. The end. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me, and I hope you come back for the next episodes of readings, learnings, crafts, and more. Bye-bye for now!